Bro, I got legal tints. I made sure I looked up the tints.
If you do not give me your driver's license, you're going to jail.
For a tint in my plate covering.
If you do not give me your driver's license, you are going to jail.
Furious male driver. On February 13th, 2023, an officer observed a vehicle with an obstructed license plate cover and tinted windows that were possibly too dark.
Alright, Deputy from the Sheriff's Office. A couple of reasons I'm stopping you. One, your back tint seems kind of dark, but you want me to test it? Alright, I'll test it.
Go ahead.
Alright, your plate cover is all, you can't have that plate cover there either.
Let me explain something.
Do it.
You're wasting my time. You're wasting my time. I have another job to go to at 2 o'clock. Can I get out the vehicle?
No.
Why?
Because I'm telling you no. Get your license.
Where's your boss?
Give me your license now.
Where's your boss?
If you do not give me your driver's license, you're going to jail.
Where's your boss?
1211 code 4. Give me your driver's license. If you call 911, you're improperly using it, you're going to go to jail for misuse of 911.
Are you just bullshitting me right now? You're talking about my tints?
Your tints, you have a plate cover that you're not supposed to have on the vehicle.
Sir, look at this. Look at this. You see this? That's the sun covering. Now, when I put this bitch back up, bro, I got legal tints. I made sure I looked up the tints.
If you do not give me your driver's license, you're going to jail.
For a tint in my plate covering.
If you do not give me your driver's license, you are going to jail.
Time, bro.
Give me your driver's license.
For what? What did I do wrong?
Your plate cover is still illegal.
Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's have a civilized
conversation. Give me your driver's license.
Get your boss out here,
Driver's license now.
Get your boss out here, please.
Driver's license now.
Get your boss out here, please. Why am I going to give you my license?
Driver's license now.
What did I do wrong?
Plate cover.
What's wrong with the plate covering?
You can't have a plate cover on your vehicle.
In what state?
Florida.
I can't bullshitting me?
Nope.
Can you not see my license plate? Can you not read my
Can I
license
have a plate cover on
I do apologize for my language, but you see, like, you're wasting my time.
No.
I seen you a mile away, and I see when you pulled up. I'm like,
if you do not get out of the vehicle now. Out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle. Hands on the vehicle now.
Yo, hey, bro, relax.
Stop.
Relax.
Stop resisting.
Relax, bro.
Stop resisting.
Relax,
Drop the phone. Stop resisting.
Okay, relax.
Stop resisting.
Relax.
Hands behind your back.
Can I? Give me the 7% in the back.
Yeah, so your tints are no good, the plate cover is no good, your pass was no good.
It's what?
And you failing to comply is why you're going to jail.
Wait, hold on. When I got my tints, I told the guy I want legal tints. 15%
Okay,
for the
they're
back.
not legal. I don't care what you ask the guy, they're not legal.
Yes, sir.
I was just stopping him for the plate cover and the tints were a little dark, but if he wants to not comply, I don't care. Jesus.
So you just literally said, no, I'm not giving you my license?
Yeah, because I was wasting his time. He kept asking me to call a supervisor. I'm like, I'm not doing that right now. Right now I need your license. And I explained to him why I stopped him. He just kept saying I'm wasting his time. Yeah, at least he stopped, I guess.
Is he like a sovereign citizen or?
No. He's just acting a fool.
Is he still drunk?
No.
It's like 2 half-full bottles of Crown.
He seems fine to me. He just didn't want to cooperate.
Gotcha.
You remember me. How you doing?
What's going on, dude? How come you didn't just give me your license?
I can understand. I should have gave him my license, and this would have been very fast and efficient.
Okay.
I got pulled over for my tints on my plate before.
Right.
I find nothing wrong with it because all around Florida you'll see other cars have tints too, but they're tinted. Mine's is clear tint. Now, besides that, the tints for my vehicle, I went to someone who, before I searched it up, legal tints in Florida, 15% and some about 20 or 30%. Now, the guy that did it, I told him, please make sure it's legal. I've been driving this car for 3 years, passed a lot of cops. Got pulled over before broad daylight.
Okay.
He told me he did a tint test and it's 7%. I can't believe it's 7%. I know what 5% looks like. You can see inside my car at an angle, either with the sun, angle.
They searched his car. Later, he requested another officer or asked if their supervisor was coming. During the test, the officer discovered that the tints were over the limit and his cover plate was not good. The suspect was charged with 1 count of resisting without violence and bonded out the next morning.